what's the experience of people when they begin trading and they've never done it before? Sit down on their computer at home, type into Google, learn how to trade. What comes up first? Well, on the SEO, on the left-hand side of Google, it's all brokers, and they've all got a conflict of interest. And on the right-hand side, you've got paid search, where people are paying for you to click on that. Why? Because a certain percentage of people who click on that pay them enough money that they can do it again, right? So you've got to be careful. You're not going to learn how to trade by going onto Google, typing in learning how to trade and going on 20 courses, 20 free seminars. What you're going to learn is a load of rubbish that will never make you money. And then everybody goes and puts money in their trading account and blows up, and they wonder why. And then they sit there for a year, save up some more money, and then do it again. And they never actually seek out a proper education. So that's why, people are taught things like, people are told what they want to hear, but also the assets that people tell you to trade and how they tell you to trade them is actually the reverse of what professional traders do. So someone somewhere within that company, probably the big boss, is making sure that that's what everyone is telling everyone to do.
Let's move on for now. We'll have some more questions at the end. So what do you find yourself doing day to day when you're managing the institute?
Again, getting up around a little bit later than I used to, about 6:30 in the morning. Generally preparing for the market, just making sure the overnight news, what's happening overnight is not going to affect the overall exposure, the overall profit and loss of the community in any negative way. Yeah. When I say that profit and loss, I mean volatility. So volatility of the overall portfolio increasing too much. And we have like bespoke risk systems in the back which monitor and identify where the risk in the portfolio overall lies. So I can find out, if somebody's doing something that is contributing too much or badly to the overall performance of the community. So really, to begin with, it's about the community. That's what I'll spend the first hour doing each day.
And do you think now your work-life balance has reached some sort of equilibrium that you're happy with?
My private life is so much better than it used to be. I've just come back from like 45 days in Asia. Excuse me. I've just come back from 45 days in Asia. You'd never be able to do that if you were working at a corporate investment bank or hedge fund. You probably get 21 days holiday a year, if you're lucky. And the great thing about trading with your own money and managing a community that you can essentially manage remotely. You don't have to be in a physical location to do it. You have the freedom to travel, as you do if you trade your own money. So if you're not actually sitting at a desk working for a corporate where you have to be in your seat for a certain amount of hours per day, even if you've got nothing to do, you have to do FaceTime at the company and sit there till 7 o'clock because that person's going to sit there till 6:45 and you want to get promoted before them. Right?